Hey guys, MOC here, and today I have made something that's from one of my favorite games, Ace Combat 7. This thing is the Arsenal bird. It's a MOC of it, of course. But it's pretty cool though. But it was kind of easy to make. But if you don't know what the Arsenal bird is, here's some pictures of it showing now. And yes, that was the Arsenal bird. Okay, let's look at some of the details here and stuff. Basically, if you want to know what these yellow things are, which are basically just be easy, these are basically these things. These are supposed to be like the drones, the MQ-101s. And I know the actual thing has counter-rotating blades, but like these main blades, I didn't probably have any, I had another set of these so I could make it counter-rotating, so it's just like this. But yeah, and then of course underneath there's some things that are for the right there's the Helios missiles. And of course there's that one thing right there that's kind of in the center of it. But yeah, and of course with one of the wingtips, I used some of that one piece that there is. And of course I also put it on, made a stand for it, which of course it can also tilt to the side, because sometimes you might see the Arsenal bird flying at like this. It's really cool. Now I used some wing pieces too. And I used this type of propeller and some these for propellers too as well. I hope you liked this video. Please like and subscribe, and I will see you later.